Hello there, Escambia County Public Schools. Are you planning on being out of the office or the classroom for a bit? Looking for a way to keep anyone trying to contact you from getting frustrated at no response? Well, Gmail has you covered with their automatic vacation notice feature. So join me today for your tech tip in a flash as we learn how to create a Gmail vacation notice. Let's go ahead and dive right in. From your Gmail account, go to the top right-hand corner and click your cogwheel for settings. Next, click See All Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and this is where your vacation responder is located. Just to note, if a contact sends you several messages, this automated reply will be sent at most once every 4 days. Make sure you turn your responder on. You can choose a first day with this drop-down, a last day if you would like, as well with the calendar drop-down. Type your subject here, and then notice that you have a rich text editor here. Type your response in the box, and then it is highly recommended that you select Only Send a Response to those people in the school district of Escambia County. Once you save, you're going to see that your vacation settings are located here at the top, so you're all set. An important reminder, if you choose to use the notice, remember to select Only Send to people in the school district of Escambia County. And there's your tech tip in a flash. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for our next video, Gmail filters, because that is a bite of tech.